Hello everyone. What I have here today is by Panera. I've got two of their baguettes. I've got one of them, I don't know which, but one of them is the Smoky buffalo chicken baguette and the other one is the Caprese. We tried that Caprese over at Jimmy John's and loved it. So now we're on a Caprese kick. I keep touching this one like this is the Caprese. I don't even know if this is it. Could be this one. And we really love the Caprese, so we wanted to go ahead and try other places that are offering it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into this. So it's a good size. Look at that bread. It's sticking. Oh boy. So that is the buffalo chicken. This is crazy. Not a lot of chicken on this end. I really don't feel like I tasted much. It does have a good amount of chicken, just not on the end there. I do believe I'm going to be able to find out about the chicken in this bite. So you get the cheesiness, you get the smokiness. I do love a sauteed onion. Is this buffalo? Is this chipotle? Is it buffalo? I can't even tell. I can't even tell. If it's buffalo, I'm not getting a lot of that flavor. The chicken's good though. The bread is delicious. So maybe I'm calling it the wrong thing the whole time and it's not buffalo. But I thought that it was. Okay. Look at this. The flavor just explodes. The tomato, that cheese, that fresh mozzarella. Tell you what, this to me by far is the better of the two sandwiches. Got a great sauce there. I'm going crazy for Caprese. This is the winner. You saw it right. You heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Treat others how you would like to be treated.